picky when it comes to doing anything health-wise. As far as Dr. Moosa goes, I obviously did my due diligence and did my research beforehand, and everything looked great. In person, he was very calming and just like made me feel comfortable with him. So for me, contacts were way better than glasses. However, I hated like the dry part that you would experience. If you're considering LASIK, I would definitely not wait and definitely do it. Dr. Moosa also did like a really good job at explaining how the procedure was gonna go. And I just overall felt very confident. It was like a total, I think, of like 10 minutes. And that was it. We were done. It was such a breeze for me. With my new eyesight after LASIK, it's only really hit me now because I've been so used to wearing contacts. It's very much night and day. I can see.
We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy. We look forward to seeing you in the near future.